Hello everyone, in this tutorial video I'm gonna explain to you how to create your Outlook account for free. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Microsoft official website and then simply click on Outlook at the top, and then you're gonna get redirected here. So what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on create free account, and then you're gonna get redirected to another page. So what you're gonna have to do is simply create your a new email. So I'm gonna enter here a new name, and as you can see, you can choose if you want to use outlook.com or hotmail.com. So simply choose any of these, then click on next. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply create your password. So I'm gonna create my password really fast and simply click on next. Now the next step is to simply enter your first and last name, and again simply click on next, and basically that's all you have to do. Of course, you're gonna have to choose your country and region, then enter your birth birth date, and then again click on next. And now all you have to do is simply wait, and you're gonna have to solve this puzzle first. So let's solve it really fast. And as you can see, it's completed. So stay signed in. So I'm gonna click on yes, and basically that's all you have to do in order to create an Outlook account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.